Hello everyone. In this video we'll see direct proportion. Okay, what definition says two quantities are said to be in direct proportion if one quantity increases or decreases in the same ratio as the other. Basically we use this is the symbol for direct proportional, means something is directly proportional to, we'll use these words, right? That time we'll use this symbol. This is called directly proportionality symbol. Here you can see we will read it as is directly proportional to something like distance is directly proportional to speed, or distance is directly proportional to time, like that. Okay, examples from daily life. More books, more cost, right? Suppose, let me explain the definition first. Two quantities are said to be in direct proportional if one quantity increases or decreases in the same ratio as the other. Means, let me take that example. Suppose I bought two notebooks for 30 rupees. Assume this is notebook, right? This is cost. Two notebook I got for 30 rupees. Suppose assume if I want to buy four notebooks, how much should I pay? You got the answer, right? Which is 60, because I'm buying two more extra, means I have to pay 30 more extra. Means the notebooks are increasing, right? Here notebooks are increasing. What about cost? Cost also increased, right? Notebooks got increased to 4, cost also increased to 60. Means these are both directly proportion. So basically what is a ratio mean? A ratio is a comparison of two quantities of the same kind. Here what is the quantity? Notebook, same kind, right? So 2:4 books. Initially it was 2, next I bought 4 notebooks. What about cost? This is also same kind. Initially it was 30, next time it becomes 60. Are both equal? Yes, you can check, cross multiply. To check the proportionality, what we'll do? Basically we will write 2/4 which is equal to 30/60. This ratio, cross multiply and check it. 2 into 60, these two cross multiply. 4 into 30, check it. 2 into 60 gives 120, this also gives 120, right? Means these are in proportion. This is directly proportional, means if one quantity is increasing, other should also increase. Means notebook is directly proportional to cost, right? Are you getting, right? Notebook is directly proportional to cost. We can write like this: notebook directly proportional to cost. That's it. If one thing is increasing, other should also increase. This is what directly proportional. Direct means what it's doing, increasing or decreasing. If it gets decrease, it should also get decrease. That's the meaning. Okay, more notebooks, more cost. As I shown this example, more workers, more work completed, right? More distance traveled, more fuel used. More kilograms of rice, more price, like that. Here are some important points. If one quantity increases, the other also increases. This is what I mean. If one quantity decreases, other also get decreases. The ratio remains constant. Means here 2:4. What is the ratio? 2:4 means 2/4, which is 2 ones are 2 twos are 1/2. What about 30:60? Let me simplify it. 30/60. 30 ones are 30 twos are, which is also 1/2. These two should be equal, constant. This is constant, right? If you increase anything, the simplified ratio should be constant. Here some methods. Step 1, write the given quantities, check whether they increase or decrease, use the proportion. That's it. Already here I shown one example, right? This is what that method says. Like we have to write one side A1:A2, another side B1:B2. Means this is one kind, This is another kind. Means this is notebook, this is price. Means initially books were 2, then increased to 4. Initially price was 30, increased to 60. Right, this is very easy to calculate. Suppose assume I gave you a question like I bought initially 3 chocolates for 30 rupees. Now I bought 7 chocolates. How much should I pay? You know, right? 3 is to 7 can be written as 3 by 7, which is equal to 30 by question mark. Let it be question mark as x. I will replace it as x. Then 3 into x cross multiplication 7 into 30, which gives 3 goes there, 7 into 30 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. X will be 7 tens are 70. Means I have to pay 70 rupees, right? For 7 chocolates, I have to pay 70 rupees. This is what proportion helps, directly proportional. Easily you can write in this form and calculate the unknown value. That's it. Okay. And please note, this should be one kind and this should be another kind. This is notebook, this is price. Write the notebooks here only, prices here corresponding. This notebook price should be here, this notebook price should be here corresponding. Okay, here is an example. 5 books, then 8 books. 5 books, 8 books. But for 5 books how much? 250. For 8 books, let it be x. Means 5 by 8 equal to 250 by x. You can find x value, which gives us 400. And note one thing, here also you can directly multiply these two terms and these two terms, which are called as, these two are called means, these two are called extremes. You can do like that also. 8 into 250, which is equal to 5 into x, 5x, which gives x equal to 400 only. Okay, you can use that method also. Example 2, 3 kg apple. Initially 3 kg apple, next 7 kg apple. This is belongs to apple, right? I am writing prices here. 3 kg, for 3 kg how much? 180. For 7 kg, let it be x. Multiply mean terms, multiply extreme terms and equate them. 7 into 180, which is equal to 3 into x. So take 3 left side, 7 into 180 divided by 3. 360 is 7 6 is 420. X equal to 420. Here it is. Like this, here also an example. 8 meters of cloth. 8 meters. Next 15 meters. Both in meters, right? Next, what about price? For 8 it is 960. For 15 how much? X. Multiply these two and equate them. 8x, 8 into x, 8x, 15 into 960 will give, it is 14,400, which gives x value as 1800. Like that, direct proportional helps in finding the values, unknown values, which means both quantities should, if one increases, other should increase. If one decreases, other should decrease. This is called a direct proportion. And here are some homework questions. Please try to solve on your own and let me know the answers in the comment section. We will see in next video. Thank you.